Hello everyone, I cordially welcome you all to another video from the Python tutorial series, and in this video we are going to learn what are sets and set methods in Python. So this is going to be the first part of this video where we will learn what is a set data structure in Python and the basic set methods that are available. So without any delay, let's get started. Before we discuss about the set data structure, let's discuss what are collections in Python. Collections are mainly used to store multiple data together. By default, Python provides mainly 4 types of collections which are mainly used in the programming world. They are as follows: list, tuple, set, and dictionary. So as I have already said, in this video we are going to discuss about the set data structure. Okay? What is a set data structure? A set in Python is an unordered, mutable, and unindexed collection of data items where each data within a set has to be unique. That means set will never contain any duplicate items. Within a set, the items are written within a curly pair of braces. Okay? So if you have watched our previous video, so you are already aware that set data structure is very different from that of list. Unlike list, set is unordered, though mutable, but unindexed in nature. That is, you cannot do indexing in set. Okay? And in case of set, we write the data items within a pair of curly braces. Let's proceed. So we have discussed enough about collections and sets in Python. So for now, let's go to VS Code and do some hands-on. Let's go. Welcome to VS Code. Here we are going to see how we create a set, how we update a set, how we play with the set methods. So let's learn about each of these examples one by one. In the first example, we are going to learn how to create a set. So generally, we say fruits equal to, then within a pair of curly braces, we define our data items separated by a comma. So the fruits variable basically now contains a set. Okay? And remember one thing, lists are written in square brackets and sets are written within a curly pair of braces. Okay? When I say print fruits, this will print the exact data structure on the terminal. Okay? There is one more way by which we can create sets, and that is using the set constructor. Here we say fruits equal to, then we call the set constructor and pass the data items within a pair of square brackets. So this basically means this set constructor will return a set data structure which will contain the name of these 4 fruits, and that set data structure will be assigned to this fruits variable. And now when I print fruits, this will yield the same result. Let's run the code and check what we are telling is correct or not. So I will write python24.py. Now if I run this code, you will see in both the cases we are seeing guava, apple, cherry, banana. Guava, apple, cherry, banana. Okay? But here you should make a note. In case of the first example, I have said apple first, then guava, then banana, then cherry. And in the output, we are seeing guava first, then apple, then cherry, then banana. That's the only reason I said sets are basically unordered in nature. There is no proper order. Yes, a set will contain definite number of items, but the order is not fixed at a given point of time. That's why sets cannot be indexed. Okay? Let's learn about the next example. In the next example, we are going to learn how we can access set items in Python. So here I have defined the same set, fruits equal to apple, guava, banana, and cherry, and thereafter we basically make use of the simple for loop to iterate over the given data items in set, print it separated by a space. So if you now see on my screen, you will see guava, apple, cherry, banana. Okay? Please ignore this guava exists as of now because this is a part of the next example. If I write one more print statement here, that will basically create a new line and will clear your confusion. So if I again run this code, you will see this I is an iterator which iterates upon this fruits set and basically prints each one of these items separated by a space. So banana, guava, apple, and cherry. Okay. Let's go to the next example. In the next example, we are going to see how we check presence of an item in a given set. So here again I have defined the same set fruits which contains apple, guava, banana and cherry. Now we want to check if guava exists in this set. So here also we make use of this membership operator, that is guava in fruits. If this guava string is present within these fruits, this will evaluate to true. Okay. But in the next example I say mango in fruits. So in this set mango is not present. That's why this will be false. So it will print guava exists true, mango exists false. So as you can see on the terminal, guava exists true, mango exists false. Okay. Let's go to the next example. In this example, we are going to learn how we can add items to a given set. So as I have already told in the presentation, that set cannot contain any duplicate item. Okay. So this add method will only add a new item in a given set. So here we have the fruit set which contains apple, guava, banana and cherry. And when we say fruits.add mango, this mango will be added. And we finally print fruits. And hence we see mango, guava, banana, apple and cherry. Here also you can say when we use this add method, this mango doesn't get added to the end or in the beginning or somewhere in the middle. The position where this mango will stay, or specifically the index where this mango will stay, is not definite within a given set. And the only reason is sets are unordered in nature and are unindexed. Okay. Let's go to the next example. In this example, we are going to learn how we can add multiple items in a given set. So here again we have the same set, apple, guava, banana and cherry, which have been initialized using this set constructor. Then we want to add the name of these two fruits, mango and grapes. So we say fruits.update and within a pair of square brackets we say mango and grapes. When this update method is called over a given set, these two items are inserted within the given set. Okay. And hence on the terminal we see grapes, mango, guava, banana, apple, cherry. And similar to add method, the items can be inserted anywhere within the given set. Okay. Let's go to the next example. This is a pretty small example. Here we are going to learn how we can find the length of a given set. So again, we have defined another set, fruits, which contains apple, guava, banana, and this set has been initialized using this set constructor. And the values have been passed within a pair of square brackets. Okay. Now we say print len function, and within len we write fruits. So this len fruits will return the length of the given set, and that we are printing on the terminal. So as this set contains apple, guava, banana, that is 3 items, we see 3 on our terminal. Okay. Let's go to the next example. Now this is a pretty important example that how we can delete items from a given set. So under this category we have 3 methods, but each one of them is different. So we need to be careful while using them. The first method is remove method. This method is used to remove an item from a given set in Python. We pass the item name as an argument to the method, but if the passed argument doesn't exist in the set, it will throw an error. So here in our fruit set we contain apple, guava, banana, cherry and mango. Then we say fruits.remove cherry. So when we say .remove and pass this cherry as an argument, so this cherry from this fruit set will be removed and we will only have apple, guava, banana and mango. And as you can see on my screen, we have mango, guava, banana, apple. Cherry is absent. Okay. In the next example, we are going to learn about the discard method. This discard method is also like remove method, but there is a catch attached to it. Unlike the remove method, it doesn't throw an error if the item to be deleted doesn't exist. So here also we have fruit set which contains the 5 items. We say fruits.discard cherry. So this will also remove cherry from this set and we will see the other 4 items on our terminal. So you might ask that why these 2 methods are different. This is so because remove method might throw an error if the item to be removed is not present within the given set. But in case of this discard method, no error will be thrown even if the item to be removed is absent. The last example for today's video is the pop method. As we know from the previous lesson, like I am referring to the list video, pop deletes the last element of the collection. But as sets are unordered, it is hard to predict which items gets deleted. So here we have fruit set which contains apple, guava, banana, cherry and mango, and we say fruits.pop. This will return the item that has been popped and it will be stored in this popped variable. Finally we are printing popped. So here mango has been popped. Okay. Now if I run this code again, you will see some other item has been popped. So here you will see apple has been popped, and that is the issue with the pop method. So basically pop method is good to go with list data structure, but never ever use pop method in case of sets because you are not sure which item will randomly be removed. Okay. So I hope these examples are clear with you. If you have any doubt, I will post the link of our blog in the description section below. You may go and check it out. Okay. Let's go back to our presentation. I hope you found this video informative. In case you like the video, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, as that will highly motivate us to bring more videos in future. For any queries, doubts, suggestions or feedbacks, feel free to post them in the comment section. We are going to reply. So thank you for now. See you in the next video. Bye.